Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay from Revolut in 2025. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, send money, and make payments with ease. To get started, you will need to have a Revolut account and a funded balance. First, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard, which displays your current balance and recent transactions. To make a payment, tap on the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will need to select the type of payment you want to make. You can choose to pay a contact, a business, or send money to someone's bank account. For this example, let's say you want to pay a contact. Select the Pay Contact option and choose the contact you want to pay from your list of saved contacts. If the contact is not saved, you can add them by entering their phone number or email address. Revolut will then prompt you to enter the payment amount and select the currency you want to use. Make sure to check the exchange rate and any applicable fees before confirming the payment. Once you have entered the payment details, review the transaction to ensure everything is correct. You can also add a note or reference to the payment for your records. When you are ready, tap the Confirm button to complete the payment. Revolut also offers additional features such as requesting money from contacts, splitting bills, and making recurring payments. To access these features, tap on the More button at the bottom of the screen and select the option you need. It's also important to note that Revolut offers a range of security features to protect your account and transactions. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time transaction monitoring. To ensure your account remains secure, always keep your login credentials confidential and monitor your account activity regularly. In conclusion, paying from Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this guide, you can make payments with confidence and take advantage of the many features and benefits that Revolut has to offer. Remember to always review your transactions carefully and keep your account secure to get the most out of your Revolut experience.